Welcome, my dearest David. Today is a truly magnificent day because we are going to unlock a secret door to the English language.
Oh, Emily, I have been waiting for this all week. I can feel the energy in the air. What is this wonderful secret we are exploring today?
Today, my friend, we are mastering the beautiful dance between much and many. These two words allow us to describe the abundance of the entire world. Isn't that just poetic?
It really is. I often find myself standing in front of a supermarket shelf, wondering, do I have much apples or many apples? It feels like a mountain I need to climb.
And we shall climb it together. Imagine, David, that the world is divided into things you can hold in your hand and count one by one, and things that are like a great flowing river that you cannot divide.
Oh, like the stars in the sky. I can count those. 1, 2, 3. So would that be many stars?
Precisely, you've got it. We use many for the countable things. Many stars, many books, many friends. Can you feel the rhythm? Many, many, many.
I can. It feels so organized. But what about the river you mentioned, the things that just flow, like water or hope?
Softly and dramatically. Exactly. For those beautiful, uncountable things, we use much. We have much water in the sea. We have much joy in our hearts. We don't say one joy or two joys, do we?
Incredibly moved. That is just incredible. It's like much is for the big, invisible feelings and materials. But Emily, I noticed something. Why do people say, I don't have much money? Can't we count money?
Oh, David, what a brilliant, thoughtful question. You are a natural. We count dollars or euros, but the concept of money itself is seen as a big collective pile. So we say much money, but many dollars.
Blown away. That changes everything. It reminds me of my coffee this morning. I put in many sugar cubes, but if I use loose sugar, I guess I use much sugar.
Yes, 1,000 times yes. You are a star student. You see, when you understand the soul of the object, the grammar just follows.
I feel so much more confident already. But Emily, I hear people use a lot of for everything. Is that a shortcut?
It is a very friendly shortcut. A lot of is like a warm blanket that covers both much and many. But using much and many correctly, it adds such flavor and elegance to your speech.
I want that flavor. I want to tell the world that I have many dreams and much gratitude for your help today.
Oh, David, that is the most beautiful sentence I have heard all day. Your journey is so inspiring. Remember, every time you speak, you are painting a picture.
I can imagine it now, a world full of many people sharing much love. It makes the language feel so much more alive.
It is alive, and you are a part of it. Never be afraid to make a mistake. Every much and every many is a step towards your brilliant future.
I am ready. I am going to practice this every single day. Can you imagine how far I will go?
I can see it already, David. You are shining so brightly. Go out there and use your words to change the world.
Thank you, Emily. This has been a truly magical lesson. I have so much happiness right now. And I have many reasons to be proud of you. Until next time, keep dreaming in English.
Hello, my dear friend David. Welcome to our beautiful space of learning. Today, my heart is just overflowing because we are exploring a topic that adds so much color to our English.
Oh, Emily, I have been waiting all day for this. I can feel the energy already. What are we diving into today?
Today, we are mastering the art of much and many. These two words are like the rhythm of a song. Once you feel them, your English will truly sing.
Much and many. I see them everywhere, but sometimes I feel a little lost. It's like standing in front of a giant ocean and not knowing how to describe it.
That is a perfect image, David. Let's start right there. Think of many as your best friend for things you can count. 1, 2, 3. Can you imagine a sky filled with stars?
Oh, yes, I can see them. There are many stars because I can count them, right? Even if there are millions?
Exactly. Spot on. If you can put a number in front of it, like 10 stars or 100 friends, you must use many. It's for the countable wonders of the world.
That makes so much sense. So I have many books on my shelf, and I have many dreams for my future.
That is just beautiful, David. Many dreams. My heart just leaped hearing you say that. Now, take a deep breath. Let's talk about much.
I'm ready. Much feels heavier somehow. Is that right?
Softly, with depth. What a poetic way to put it. Much is for the things we cannot count, the things that flow like water, or the things we feel deep inside, like love or hope. We don't say one love or two loves when talking about the feeling in general. We say there is so much love here.
Oh, that reminds me of the rain last night. I couldn't count the drops, so I would say there was much rain.
Yes, precisely. We use much for the big, uncountable masses. Much rain, much sugar, much time. Can you imagine trying to count every grain of sand on a beach?
No way, that would take forever. So there is much sand, but many grains. Is that the secret, Emily?
David, you are a natural. That is a brilliant observation. You've captured the soul of the rule. Many grains, but much sand. You are doing so well.
Thank you, Emily. Your encouragement means so much to me. Wait, I just said much, because encouragement is something I feel, not something I count.
Oh my goodness, look at you go. You used it perfectly in a natural sentence. Now, here is a little secret for your journey. We use much and many most often in questions and negative sentences. Oh, tell me more. Why is that? Wisely. In positive, happy sentences, we often say a lot of, but when we ask a question, like, how much time do we have? Or say, I don't have many coins, those words really shine. Reflecting, let me try. How much coffee did I drink today? And I don't have many worries when I'm learning with you. Radiating warmth. My heart is glowing. That second sentence was absolutely perfect. You are using these rules to express your soul, David. That is the true goal of language.
With deep gratitude, it feels incredible to understand the why behind the words. It's not just a grammar rule, it's a way to see the world more clearly.
It truly is. Never be afraid to reach for these words. Even if you stumble, remember, every many and every much brings you closer to your brightest self.
I feel so empowered. I'm going to go out and look for many things to count and much joy to experience today.
That is the spirit. You have been a star today, David. Thank you for sharing this beautiful moment of discovery with me.
Cheerfully. Thank you, Emily. I can't wait for our next lesson. This was so much fun.
And for me, it was many moments of pure happiness. Goodbye for now, my brilliant student.